become better at your board sport. First, tibialis raise. In the fitness world, we didn't pay attention to this pretty much up until last 2 years, in my business at least. And thank you, Ben Patrick's knees over toes guy. You gotta kind of give props to where the props are needed. So I've been doing this for, about a year, and it absolutely changes everything in all board sports. So his main focus is obviously basketball. Next one, calf raises. All the way down, all the way up. Pinch the glute at the top. All the way down, all the way up. All the way down, all the way up. Squeeze. High volume. Third, last but never least, weighted hip extension. Lock your stationary leg. High volume, 20, 25. You don't even really need to add weight in the beginning. Where I put them in my program is we warm up, even though we use weighted exercises. We put them in the beginning as we're dynamicing, loosening up. The hip raise, the hip extension, is the iliopsoas. And majority of people, so I live in Hood River, majority of people in Hood River, their hip flexors are shortened, so they're into tilt. So they're shortened and they're weakened. So what they'll do is they'll stretch it out, but still weak. So they run into all kinds of lower back pains and, they blame it on the sport. No, you're not training right. So once you start to train right, what'll happen is your sport will change drastically. Your injury rate will plummet if you train right. Unlock the ankle, start to develop the hip flexors.